Enrico Lombardo. I'm in charge of business unit sustainability in Sonepar Italia. As you probably know, Sonepar Italia is the most important electrical auxiliary distributor, and we are the most important generalist distributor in photovoltaic and renewable energy in Italy. We have been working with Sungrow since 2021, and now Sungrow is one of our most important supplier on renewable energies. We like so much the wide and deep Sungrow's product range and the easy to install possibility Sungrow product give to our customer, but also the technical and commercial support the Italian team is able to provide to us, but mainly to our customers. With Sungrow, we was able and we are able now to increase our market share on the Italian market and to enhance our customer base. So we are particularly happy to distribute Sungrow product in our country. Yeah, what I have in mind is a big opportunity won, I guess, last year with a big energy company located in Italy, and we had the possibility to won this opportunity offering 26 SG 350 Sungrow inverters. So for us, it was a good opportunity offering to this customer Sungrow units. We strongly believe that renewable energy in Italy will grow in the coming year. So for us, it's crucial to have the possibility to have a strong relation with a relevant supplier, as Sungrow definitely is. So for us, is important to strengthen our partnership with Sungrow to increase as the market will increase in the coming year.